New credit cards and bank accounts often have sign-up offers, but the one they advertise isn't always the best one available, and sometimes they don't even advertise any bonus on their main site, but you can still get one if you know where to look. In this video, we'll go over the 4 main ways to find a bank account or credit card sign-up bonus, so you don't miss out on the highest bonus available for your next account. Feel free to pause the video to read the disclaimer or find the full disclaimer in the video description below. Of course, we shouldn't be basing what credit card or bank account we get solely on the one-time sign-up bonus, but rather the long-term benefits of the account and any fees we should keep in mind. So after deciding what specific account you'd like to apply for, it's time to look for the best sign-up offer available. Although not all credit cards and bank accounts have sign-up offers, many do. Let's first get into the main way we'll find out about these offers. Most of the time, if a bank's offering a sign-up bonus or promotion, they'll show it on their main dedicated page for the account on their site. You can just use the search tool on their main page to look for key terms, like bonus or statement credit for example, if you don't see a bonus listed in plain sight. If they do show a bonus on the page, they'll list all the terms of the bonus, like the time frame of the offer, the qualifying activities you'll need to complete to earn the bonus, the amount of the bonus, any promotional code or link you need when applying, and important exclusions. For example, on Citi's main page for their checking account on their website, they're currently advertising a $300 bonus when you open a new Citi checking account and make 2 enhanced direct deposits totaling at least $1,500 within 90 days, if you apply from their dedicated link. On Wells Fargo's main page for the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, they're offering their standard $200 bonus if you spend at least $500 in new purchases on the card within the first 3 months of account opening. Unfortunately, banks often aren't this transparent with sign-up offers for many of their credit cards and bank accounts though, especially for bank accounts. Now let's go over how to look for sign-up offers if they're not showing any on the bank's main page, or find even better sign-up offers than those advertised on that main page. Our first alternative way to find a sign-up bonus is by doing a quick search on a search engine to see if any offers are shown in the search results that weren't shown on the bank's main page for the account. This is usually best for finding bank account bonuses, as credit card bonuses tend to be more heavily advertised on banks' websites, but it's good to try either way. Generally, Google's the best search engine for this. You can just search the name of the credit card or the bank account with the word bonus at the end to see if any search results come up. Usually the results will list the name of the account and the specific dollar amount of the bonus, and the link will be to the bank's website, to their dedicated page for the bonus. You'll often need to use a certain code or a certain link to apply to be eligible for the bonus offer. For example, Discover's high yield savings account has an unadvertised bonus like this, as does Chase with their Chase Total checking account. For Discover, if you use the offer code they provide when opening your first Discover online savings account, and you deposit at least $15,000 into your account, you'll earn a $150 bonus. Or if you deposit at least $25,000, you'll earn a $200 bonus instead, as long as the funds post to your account within 45 days of account opening. You won't see this offer on their main page for the account, but you can find it if you search on Google and click on Discover's dedicated link with the bonus. As for Chase, you can earn a $300 bonus as a new Chase checking customer if you open a Chase Total checking account using the coupon code they provide, and you receive direct deposits to the account totaling at least $500 within 90 days of coupon enrollment. For some bank accounts and credit cards, if you use a referral link, you can get a bonus not available on the main site, get a better bonus than advertised on the main site, or even get a stackable offer on top of what's being advertised on their main site. Bear in mind, not all referral links will provide a sign-up offer to the person signing up, but many do. With any referral links, you'll want to make sure you're still getting the best deal available though, and it's important to make sure the offer is still valid. One common way to find referral links is to search on Google or YouTube for the credit card or bank account in question, to pull up other people's blogs or YouTube videos talking about the account, as people typically list their referral link within their blog or video description. Of course, if you know someone with the account, or if you ask on your own social media, you may be able to get a referral link for the account, though it can be harder to find one this way. Here are a few popular accounts that currently have an extra offer not available without a referral link. With the Discover It Cashback credit card, the main promotion on their website is their unlimited cashback match, where Discover will basically double all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year with the card. You can also get a $100 bonus if you sign up using a referral link showing the bonus, and you use your card to make at least one purchase within your first 3 months of account opening. So it's a super easy bonus since there's no spend amount to hit. Of course, this bonus isn't advertised on their main page. The person referring you will get a $100 bonus as well. My link's in the video description below if you'd like to use it. If you do use my link, thank you so much for the support. For the SoFi checking and savings account, which is a high-yield checking account and high-yield savings account duo, the current sign-up offer being advertised is a $50 bonus if you receive direct deposits to your account totaling $1,000 to $4,999 within 25 calendar days of when your first qualifying direct deposits received. Or you can earn a $300 bonus if your qualifying direct deposits total $5,000 or more. If you use a referral link to open your account though, you can currently earn an extra $25 on top of their regular sign-up bonus. Keep in mind you may need to fund your account with a certain amount of money to qualify for the referral bonus. In recent years, it's been $100. With some other high-yield savings accounts like Marcus and Wealthfront, you can get an elevated APY for a certain time period if you sign up using a referral link. For example, if you use a referral link to open a Marcus high-yield online savings account, you can get an extra 1% APY for 3 months on top of their regular 4.4% APY. With Wealthfront, if you use a referral link to open a Wealthfront cash account, you can currently earn an extra 0.5% APY for 3 months on top of their normal 5% APY. Finally, another alternative way to find a bonus is if you have an existing relationship with the bank in question, they may send you a targeted offer for one of their credit cards or bank accounts that you don't have yet. In my experience, these are typically more common for opening new bank accounts than for new credit cards. Targeted offers can be given to you by email, by physical mail, or within your existing account on their app or website. As an example, I've personally received offers recently for the Capital One 360 Performance Savings account, as well as for the Wells Fargo Everyday Checking account. As for Wells Fargo, this is a great example of the process we've just gone over. They're not currently advertising a sign-up bonus for their Everyday Checking account on their main page, and they also currently don't have a referral program either. If you search on Google for a bonus for the account though, you'll see a $300 bonus show in the search results on a dedicated page of their site. With this offer, you can earn a $300 bonus if you open a qualifying Wells Fargo checking account using the bonus code by the deadline with a minimum opening deposit of $25, and you receive at least $1,000 in qualifying electronic deposits within 90 days of account opening. This is already a great bonus, but I actually got a better offer from the targeted email they sent out, since I do have credit cards with them. From the offer in the email, they're basically taking the $300 bonus offer we just went over and bumping it up to $325 for accounts that receive that targeted offer. Outside of shopping around to make sure you get the best bonus offer available, it's also good to keep in mind that certain accounts may have stackable promotions, some of which may come and go. So if you've had your eye on a particular account and it occasionally has stackable offers, you may want to apply for the account when that offer is available. One example of this is the Discover It cashback card we mentioned earlier, where you can get the cashback match offer and the $100 bonus if you use a referral link. That particular offer has been pretty consistent recently. Another example of this that does come and go is with the Chase Freedom Flex and Chase Freedom Unlimited cards. With these cards, in addition to the $200 bonus on a spend of $500 within your first 3 months with the card, they sometimes also run a promotion where you can earn 5% back on gas station purchases, grocery store purchases, or both of these categories for your first year with the card up to a certain spend cap. They were offering this promotion earlier this year, and although it isn't running at the moment, I imagine it'll return later this year. If you've been wanting to apply for one of those cards, and you're able to apply when that extra offer is available, it'll make the card's rewards even more powerful for that first year, especially if the 5% cashback bonus offer is for both gas stations and grocery stores. Shopping around for a sign-up offer for the credit card or bank account you're looking to apply for takes just a few minutes and can be really lucrative depending on what's offered. Be sure to read through the terms for any bonus offer you find to make sure you qualify for the bonus, that it's still valid, and that you can complete all the activities required to earn it within the time frame specified. Now, if you're planning to add a new credit card to your wallet, you may be interested in our full guide to hitting the minimum spend amount for a new credit card without sacrificing the cashback or points you can earn with your other cards. You can check that video out here. You can also check out this video where we give a full review of the Discover It cashback card, or this video going over the top 9 credit cards that earn 5% cashback with no annual fees. Let me know in the comments, what are some of the best sign-up bonuses you've earned so far for new credit cards or bank accounts? If this video was helpful to you, it'd be a huge help if you could click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps our videos reach more people to help them save money, and it's completely free. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, make sure you click the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.